As you can see today, I'm here with an amazing brand excavator, which is Hitachi. Many people are already familiar with Hitachi. This is one of the legend brand that has been existing for a very long period of time. And this brand has produces over more than 100 different kind of equipment. They have their own generator, they have their own bulldozer, they have their own excavator. As you can see, this is an excavator from the smaller size to the bigger size. As you can see, I'm so Hitachi, they get bigger size. This is Zaxis 210. My people, this machine, if me and you just get people wey get this machine, they are making millions of money in every day. This machine, you can actually use this machine for hiring purpose, importing and exporting. You can hire it irrespective of any kind of anyhow way you get this machine, you are going to make your money and you are going to cash out in a big way. Follow me, guys. Let me take you around this machine and see. Let's go, guys. Do you know that this machine can actually consume 300 liters of diesel? This machine can actually consume 300 liters of diesel. As you can see, the way they design the swinging motor of this, the socket turner, the way they design the socket turner of this machine, it has a higher limitation to the beam. As you can see, so we have your nipple here, we have this cylinder. As you can see, this is our safe. As you can see, so let me show you guys. There's something special about this machine which you don't know. Let's go, guys. As you can see, this is Zaxis 210. Like, if you are coming across this page for the first time, like, comment and share. This machine can actually be used in construction and agriculture and mining. Anywhere you feel like using this machine, it's going to serve you purpose. Let's go, guys. So let me operate this machine and see. As you can see, this machine is an ISO. This machine comes with an ISO pattern. As you can see, this is the handbrake. As you can see, this is my handbrake. As you can see, my pedal. So let's go, guys. This is the throttle here. The throttle has already been converted. Let's go, guys. As you can see, this machine is actually 4-cylinder engine. 4-cylinder engine. Don't play my machine here. To say me and you get this machine here, oh boy, don't be smart, you know. Don't be smart, you know. So thank you very much, guys. If you are coming across this page for the first time, please like, comment